Now we are going to continue with automatically create table of contents, table of models, and table of figures. As you can see here in my example, I already create 3 pages, each on the first section, right? Table of contents, table of models, and table of figures. Now we're going to start with table of contents. Since we already have headings, it's pretty easy to create table of contents. All you need to do is click reference and then table of contents. You may need to choose custom table of contents, because as you can see here, the default only shows 3 level, which is up to heading 3. Since we have heading 4, we're going to increase this 4 and then click OK, and voila. Now these are all of our contents. Now if you see the numbers, aside from the Roman numbers, the alphanumeric numbers shows inconsistency here due to we create some sections. Now we're going to fix the page numbering sections by looking at each module. For example, I think it's in here. Yep. This one has section 3 and probably section 4. As you can see, the page number starts from 1. Now we're going to change this, insert page number, format page number, choose continue from previous section. See, 7. Now the following page 1, insert page number, format page number, continue from previous section, and so on until you fix all of the broken section. Here there you have it. Now let's go to table of contents once more and just right click on it, update field, update entire table, and again voila. As you can see, the page number is now correct. Okay, now the second part is create table of models. In this case, we're going to create table of models based on captions. Now we'll start with reference, click on table of figures. Now so it's pretty easy. All you need to do is going to choose the model label and then click OK, and there we have it. We have the models. For the figures, we do the same, reference, table of figures here, and it's already chosen by default, and then OK, and then we have it, all table of contents, table of models, and table of figures. And you can control click to follow the to navigate to each titles, just like that.